Hey, Carrie here, doing an unboxing of my new Ultimate Pro. This was off HSN. It came with a really nice bundle so that I didn't have to buy it separately. You get this tablet of paper there with really nice sheets, as you can see. It's got 15 total. So I figured that was about a $10 value. Most importantly, it comes with the new USB. I'm hoping this has some good stuff on it. It's supposed to have a bunch of things that may be more advanced. Either way, she is selling this for well over 40 pounds on the site as they go into their anniversary week. So I think it was about 60 bucks US, which is pretty high for just a USB. So I'm really glad I went ahead and did this so that I could get the USB functionality on that to see what it offers me. And then the unit itself, I came in here and I went ahead and cut the box open to make this easier to get out. So this is the Ultimate Pro. And I know she's going to be having different videos on it, different master classes on it or something. I know she has one out that they did just about 2 weeks ago that you can check out. And of course, it has a clip that closes it. This here is the card folding side, and it has the different, let me turn around here so you can see better. You see that it says US letter. And then it's got the trifold and the half fold. And up here is the gate fold, along with some lines. These you can use the scoring tool to kind of emboss your items. She also used it to get like an edge effect, and then you cut along after you have it traced out. This is where your additional boards would fit onto, I believe. So let's go ahead and open her up and see what's inside. Of course, it's in her purple, which is fine because I love purple, so I'm cool with that. And I think I was supposed to open it from the other side, but that's okay. It's got the 3 pegs so that you can tie a bow with them. Not sure there's much use other than that. Then it has the 2 styluses here. One has the skinnier end and then a flat end boning thing, I think she called that end, and then the medium and the thicker end there on that one. And this is the ruler cutting where you can cut your paper. You put that in the middle of the unit. And then the standard DVD it comes with. And a book. And I had tried to buy one used and it didn't have the book, and it made it very difficult to use without the book. And then here's the cutting tool. Ooh, 2 extra styluses. Very good. Very nice on that. So I'm happy about that. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Okay. And we go in and you could trace these. I think you could also on this do cutouts so that you could do your kind of like die cutting, but using this, trace it and then cut it out. You could use that and do, even put the sequins inside and make it a shaker card. And then this over here is your tool to be able to make your cuts for, not for your envelopes, but for boxes and things. So you could cut out your boxes using this. There's some additional lines for the embossing tool. It has the box base here and then the box lid down here. And they're just slightly different so that your lid fits over your base. And then it looks like here, because this is nice and flat, this is where your ruler would go. Let's see here. Yes, your ruler goes there, like that. And then you want to make sure you have it up against here. And then you're going to run the cutter down this line here. And it has some markings, ruler markings, so they're just not real easy to see. But there are markings over here so that when you're cutting your paper, you would see what you're cutting at. And it has centimeters there and inches down here. And then, oh, the additional boards it came with, I do not know why this has got this discoloration, but still looks like it's functional. I'm not sure how to send it back over it. No, doesn't seem to be coming off. That is the boxer board for additional boxing. It looks like it's got inches over here and centimeters on the other side. And then this is the envelope maker here. And it has some additional lines you can use for embossing, which is always nice. Okay, and then, oh, instructional information on the 2 additional boards. Now they had one on their site that had the little sweet things and sweet treats if you didn't care about the boxer and the envelope box creator, but those were pretty important to me. We'll see in the long run, but this would give me an alternative scoreboard, so I like that part of it. Let's go over there. And then on this side, it has the hose to be able to put your pegs in for your bows. And I know the bigger bow, the wider apart you make them. And then the traditional envelope maker, along with where it drops down where you can make an envelope box. And then some shapes to cut out, including an arch that you can use with some of the dies. So there you go. That is the Ultimate Pro from Crafter's Companion.